morning, everybody. Today, in this session, we are going to be making a proximity RGB LED. This was a circuit I made by accident in this short here. You can learn about it in the short section on my channel. Anyway, the components you are going to need are the Arduino Uno, as you see here, a breadboard, 2 to 3 resistors, an RGB LED, jumper wires, and a 10K potentiometer. To start us off, place 2 jumper wires into the slots of 5 volt and ground. Remember, from past sessions, we explained that 5 volt goes into the positive rail and ground goes into the negative rail. This once again creates a power connection to the circuit. Next, we place our RGB LED into these 4 slots shown here. Meanwhile, we put the potentiometer into these 2 slots for the front legs. And remember, from the past session, back in session 2, we put the other leg of the potentiometer into the negative rail. Next, we place 3 resistors into these 3 rows here. Remember to have that 1 row in the middle without a resistor. This is for jumper wires later. Before we continue, let me tell you how the circuit works so that you know what to expect. Thanks to RGB LEDs, we can get any color we want from them. However, in our circuit's case, it reacts to our hand like a proximity sensor. So what I'm trying to say here is that the closer our hand is to the RGB, the brighter it glows. Back to our circuit, the next thing you want to do is take another jumper wire and place it in the positive rail of the breadboard, and place the other end into the right leg of the potentiometer. After that, place another jumper wire and put one end into the analog 0 pin of the Arduino Uno. Take the other end and place it into the middle area of the potentiometer in the same row. Take yet another jumper wire and place it into the negative row of the breadboard. Take the other end and place it into the same row as the left leg of the potentiometer. Take yet another jumper wire and place it into the positive row of the breadboard. Meanwhile, place the other end and place it right between those 2 resistors, the same spot which we mentioned earlier. Take yet another jumper wire and place one end into the digital 9 spot of the Arduino Uno. Take the other end and put it right in front of the farthest left resistor. Take yet another jumper wire and place it into the digital 10 slot of the Arduino Uno. Place the other end into the right in front of the next resistor over. Take one more jumper wire and put it into the digital 11 pin of the Arduino Uno. Then put the other end into the slot right next to the farthest right pin of the RGB LED. And that is the hardware of your proximity LED circuit done. Then you upload the code to the Arduino Uno shown here in this image. Yes, I know it's a big one, but if you want your thing to work, you're going to have to use it. And there is your proximity circuit. Look at this beauty. I've always found this circuit cool, guys, you know. Oh, this one was created by mistake, you know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a great rest of your day. And goodbye.